In the dead of night, under the cover of darkness, a swarm of unknown drones silently crossed into Israeli airspace. As dawn broke, the Israeli military was shocked to find its most advanced missile defense systems rendered completely useless. These were no ordinary drones. They were a new generation of artificially intelligent combat drones, unknown to even the Mossad. A message was embedded in their code: "You reap what you sow." Consider this a warning from Turkey. The Israeli nightmare has begun. Feeling captivated by this journey through geopolitical intricacies and global dynamics? If you crave insightful content that goes beyond world affairs and delves into diverse topics, don't hesitate. Smash that subscribe button now. Your support propels our dedication to providing top-notch videos. We're not just dissecting international relations, we're also keeping you in the loop on the latest in the car world. Subscribe to stay tuned for a continuous flow of enriching content. Join us and let's embark on this knowledge-packed journey together. In the aftermath of Israel's intense bombardment of Gaza that commenced on October 7, 2023, Turkey boldly cast Israel as a war criminal on the global stage. This bold declaration carries significant weight, sparking concerns about potential repercussions on Turkey's relations with Israel and its key ally, the United States. The looming threat of weapon embargo sanctions, with NATO countries possibly withholding arms sales to Turkey, raises pivotal questions. Is Turkey equipped to weather such a severe fallout? The emphatic answer is a steadfast yes. Over the last 15 years, Turkey's formidable domestic defense industry has undergone a remarkable transformation. Shifting from a mere arms recipient to a thriving arms exporter, Turkey has achieved unprecedented strength. At the forefront of this resurgence stands the Bayraktar TB2, a drone that has etched an indelible mark on the global stage since its deployment in the Ukraine war, in subsequent involvement in the conflicts across Syria, Iraq, and Libya since 2014. The medium-altitude, long-endurance, or MALE combat drone crafted by the Turkish company Baykar encapsulates Turkey's prowess in drone technology. The Bayraktar TB2 boasts a versatile range of capabilities, functioning as an intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance powerhouse, coupled with formidable armed attack capabilities. Its autonomous takeoff, landing, and remote mission control make it a formidable force in the field. Delving into its impressive specifications, the Bayraktar TB2 commands a range of up to 2,485 miles, soaring to a maximum altitude of 25,000 feet and demonstrating an endurance of up to 27 hours. Its swift maximum speed of 138 miles an hour is complemented by a robust payload capacity of up to 331 pounds. As of November 2021, the Bayraktar TB2 stands as a testament to Turkey's ascendancy in the realm of cutting-edge drone technology. The saga of Turkish drone supremacy continues with the Bayraktar TB2, a formidable force that has amassed a staggering 400,000 flying hours globally. Yet, Turkey's quest for dominance doesn't stop there. Enter the Bayraktar TB3, a sibling to the TB2, but with grander dimensions. This naval marvel, designed for deployment by the Turkish Navy, aims not to replace its predecessor, but to elevate the capabilities of the Bayraktar drone family. Embarking on its maiden flight on October 20th, 2023, the TB3 is poised to commence production in 2024. Distinguished by larger dimensions, the TB3 achieves a maximum speed of 186 miles an hour, nearly doubling the endurance of the TB2 with an impressive 50 hours in the air. Noteworthy is the TB3's ability to carry an array of ground attack weapons, cementing its status as a force to be reckoned with on the naval front. However, the narrative of Turkish drone innovation extends beyond the Bayraktar TB3. Introducing the Bayraktar Akinci, a combat drone designed for high-altitude, extended operations. With dimensions measuring 40 feet in length, 65.6 feet in width, and 13.4 feet in height, the Akinci takes flight after successful engine and flight testing in 2019. Since 2021, it has seamlessly integrated into the Turkish armed forces, playing a crucial role in supporting fighter jets. The Bayraktar Akinchi's advantages are manifold. First, it assumes operations typically reserved for fighter jets. Second, armed with long-range missiles, it delivers precision strikes with lethal accuracy. Third, equipped with cutting-edge sensor technology, advanced AI control systems, and a collision avoidance radar, the Akinchi stands at the forefront of technological innovation. Zooming into specifics, the Akinchi boasts a cruising speed of 174 miles an hour and a jaw-dropping max speed of 224 miles per hour. Covering vast distances, it achieves a range of up to 4,660 miles, cruises at an altitude of 29,856 feet, and showcases an endurance of up to 25 hours. Its versatile payload capacity accommodates nearly all weapons, weighing over 2,866 pounds, a true titan in the world of combat drones. The tapestry of Turkish drone excellence extends further with the Anka family, birthed by the Turkish aerospace industries. From its inaugural flight in 2010 as a reconnaissance-focused drone, Anka has evolved into a modular platform adorned with three-dimensional radar, precision weapons, and satellite communications. Now known as TAI Aksungur, this medium-altitude, long-endurance drone achieves a cruising speed of 155 miles an hour, covering a range of 4,039 miles. With a legacy rooted in active participation in conflicts like the Syrian Civil War and the Second Libyan Civil War, the Anka family solidifies Turkey's prominence in the ever-evolving landscape of drone technology. In the expansive realm of Turkish drone innovation, the spotlight shifts to the Anka family, now featuring the latest marvel, the Anka 3. Taking cues from the stealth B-21 Raider bomber, renowned for its stealth technology, the Anka 3 marks the dawn of a new era. Boasting a claimed cruising speed of 287 miles an hour and a max speed of 488 miles an hour, this aerial powerhouse maintains its agility even when carrying a payload of up to 2,646 pounds. Soaring to a maximum altitude of 39,370 feet, the Anka 3, limited to a 10-hour flight duration, showcases a design echoing the stealthy resilience of its inspiration. Now enter the Alpin helicopter drone, representing Turkey's groundbreaking foray into the long-range unmanned helicopters. Developed by UAVOS and TITRA, the Alpin aims to support both civilian and security missions, delivering cargo to inaccessible areas without the need for an airship. Modeled on the Italian Helisport CH-7 helicopter, the Alpin stands at approximately 23 feet in length, 4.9 feet in width, and 7.7 feet in height, with an empty weight of 749 pounds. Boasting a cruising speed of 99 miles an hour and a max speed of 130 miles an hour, coupled with a commendable range of 522 miles, it proves to be a versatile asset. Alpin's advantages extends beyond its physical dimensions and speed. Ensuring adverse weather conditions, it flaunts a substantial payload capacity of up to 352 pounds and ensures real-time information transmission to the operator. Equipped with a wideband satellite communication channel, Alpin excels in remote areas, facilitated by an autonomous takeoff and landing system. With a generous fuel tank capacity of 47 gallons and a consumption rate of approximately 6.6 gallons per hour, Alpin can soar beyond 7 hours, exemplifying its endurance in the skies. Lastly, the Bayraktar Kizil Elma emerges as a game-changer in the Turkish drone arsenal. Diverging from its predecessors, this combat drone mirrors the sleek design of a 5th-generation fighter jet. Aptly named Kizil Elma, meaning red apple in Turkish and embodying a national codename for global dominance, this unmanned marvel is currently in development, poised to enter service in 2024. What sets Kizil Elma apart is its aggressive capabilities and stealth classification, enabling evasion of enemy radar. Covering distances of up to 575 miles with a cruising altitude of 32,808 feet, Kizil Elma boasts a flight duration of 5 to 6 hours, reaching speeds of up to 0.6 Mach or 460 miles an hour. Its payload capacity stands at an impressive 1.5 tons, a testament to its mission to dominate the skies. As the red apple ripens on the horizon, the Bayraktar Kizil heralds a new era in the annals of unmanned aerial supremacy. Kizil gains a strategic edge by equipping air-to-air missiles, akin to those used by manned fighter jets. This capability positions it as a formidable player in the landscape of future warfare, enhancing Turkey's aerial combat prowess. Shifting gears to Alpar, a groundbreaking venture by Alpar Otokar, a prominent Turkish armored vehicle manufacturer. Alpar is not just an unmanned aerial vehicle, it's a heavy-class unmanned combat vehicle with tracks. A pioneering creation, it marks Turkey's entry into the realm of unmanned combat ground vehicles. Resembling a tank in its chassis, Alpar measures approximately 20.5 feet in length, 9 feet in width, and 4.9 feet in height. Operating on batteries alone, it can cover about 164 feet, with an overall range extending to approximately 342 miles. Alpar's notable features include minimal vibration and noise, rendering it suitable for stealth operations. Operable remotely up to 3.1 miles using radio frequency signals, its range can be extended with GSM communication. With a diverse range of weaponry from medium-caliber arms to compatibility with anti-tank missiles, Alpar solidifies its standing among unmanned ground vehicles, or UGVs. Delving into Turkey's robust development of UGVs, Aselsan, the nation's largest defense company, is a key player. Participating in this field are other entities like Havelsan and Barkan, Best Group offering FEDAI, and Electroland Defense proposing Hanser. Barkan, a medium-class UGV, collaborates seamlessly with unmanned aerial vehicles, undertaking armed reconnaissance, surveillance, and support functions in the field. Weighing around 1,102 pounds, Barkan carries a remotely controlled 7.62mm cannon. FEDAI, slightly lighter but with identical specifications and functions, can be controlled up to 0.62 miles, boasting an FN MAG-58 7.62mm armament equivalent to 1,000 rounds of ammunition. Expanding beyond land and air, Turkey also excels in armed unmanned surface vessels. Ares Shipyard and Meteksan Defense Systems led the development of ULAQ, boasting an impressive range of approximately 248 miles at a speed of 40.4 miles an hour. Armed with a 70mm laser-guided weapon and long-range surface-to-air anti-tank missiles, ULAQ successfully completed its first firing test in May 2021, accurately destroying the target. Designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, surface warfare, asymmetric warfare, armed escort and force protection, and strategic facility security, ULAQ emerges as a versatile vessel, particularly apt for anti-submarine warfare. Thus, Turkey's prowess extends beyond the skies, firmly establishing itself in the frontier of unmanned naval and ground technologies. If you find the evolution of Turkish drone technology fascinating and want to stay up to date with cutting-edge innovations, hit subscribe now. Join us on this journey of discovery as we bring you more insights into the world of advanced aerial capabilities. Subscribe for the latest in drone technology and stay ahead of the curve.